Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to understand transaction fees in Ton Wallet. Understanding transaction fee in Ton Wallet is essential for managing your transaction effectively. First is, transaction fee are the cost associated with proceeding and validating a transaction on the TON blockchain. They are paid to validators to secure the network. In the TonKeeper application, there may be section detail the fee structure. This can usually be base fee or variable fee. Base fee is the fee which is the minimum fee required for the transaction, and variable fee is that may vary based on network demand or transaction size. When you initiate the transaction, for example sending Ton coins, the app typically displays the transaction fee before you confirm the transaction. Some wallets allow you to adjust the transaction fee based on how quickly you want the transaction to be proceeded. A standard transaction has a lower fee for regular transaction and higher fee for faster processing. Transaction fee can fluctuate based on network congestion. Monitor the network status through community channel or fee trackers to decide when to send transaction. If available, use the fee calculator or tools provided by TON community to estimate transaction cost based on correct network condition. By understanding this aspect of transaction fee in Ton Wallet, you can make informed decisions about your transaction and manage cost effectively. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.